This here is the JR Fire Tool Chingadera 40. Comes with 3-side sharp, interchangeable heads if you want to put a different head on it, a 40-inch hickory fire glazed handle. It's super strong. They're made so that you can replace the handles on your own. They're epoxied on the inside. So everything's replaceable on this tool. If you run out of head, your neck goes bad, or your handle, the user in the field can go ahead and fix it up themselves if they want to. It also has a 9.5-inch wide head by 8.5 inches tall. It's tapered towards the top so that it's wider up here than down here at the bottom. That helps prevent debris loss. So when you're moving a lot of dirt, it won't roll off the back as much. The Chingadera 40s are great for just moving material. They're a good all-around fire tool. One of the best out there. They're good for chopping plantation, making big trenches, and just overall fire line use. You can cut line through green grass, dry vegetation, hard surfaces. You can come through here and take plants out, trees. Say this one's about an inch in diameter. You don't need to call back a saw for that. I can come through here and make superior trenches, giving yourself a nice check mark. I think it's about the Chingadera 40 is about the best trenching tool out there. That's already, that back berm's about a foot tall. Also with the Chingadera 40, you can, since it has 3-side sharp, you can run it on its side if you're trying to get a level surface. So the top of the hoe you can use for chopping. Then the side of the hoe is good for scraping. Thank you for your interest in JR Fire Tools. Have a safe fire season.